Welcome to FeeSim Living. Today I'm going to show you a bathroom project that I did, and I'm going to do it with recycled products. Now, working in the Middle East, I found that I don't get to have a medicine cabinet or bathroom storage. If I want it, I have to make it myself or buy it myself. But one thing is, living here, you have to accommodate, and you do it the best you can. And that's what I've done, is doing the best I can through creating something to make me comfortable, organized, and have a nice display in my bathroom. And it's my personality. What I'm going to show you today is for you, and you can make it your own. Let's get started on this project together right now. I found bubble wrap from a picture frame delivery, so I'm going to use the bubble wrap, and that's one piece of my recycled items. The next piece is a black piece of paper with a sort of a pattern, and you can see in it when the light hits it, but I can see it and I like it, and I'm going to use that paper. So these are the two items that I'm going to use to make my design on the container I'm going to use for my bathroom project. In the bathroom, we're going to also have this container. This is the container I liked. Its length and its width, you can see here, and you will need double-sided tape and a scissor of your choice. Now, these items, of course, you can purchase in any office store, any supply store, no problem. Okay, and let's get this started. I'm going to move that out of the way and start with the bubble wrap first. How I did the bubble wrap measurement: take it to the edge of the clean edge that's nice and clean there and straight. Come around. It's a little bit of work, but that's okay. Come around. Estimate. Have a little marker. And it's a good idea if you can make it a little longer, but don't forget the width. And I usually go from the bottom of the jar. There you go. Now I'm home and I don't have a ruler, so I'm using the spine of a folder that I have, and that's fine. This is all about using what you have at home to create a design you want, and that is fine. So now I've gotten my length and width, and I'm going to use my marker again. Really. And this doesn't take much time, and you can do it with someone, you know, your niece, nephew, daughter, son, whoever you like, friends. It could be a party favorite thing to do. It's all up to you. Okay, so there, exactly what I've done. Going to cut. Yes, everything is on one table. That's okay with me. And that's what it is. When you are not home or you don't have a lot of space, you just have to accommodate and make it the best you can and be happy, you know. Sometimes our things are not in our control. There you go, one recycled project to the side. Second project piece, sorry. Here we go. Okay. Now I pretty much will do the same thing with this paper, but because this is black, I've put it against my envelope that I've not used anymore. Okay, so an easier way to do it too is to just put this along here Get a paper clip if you have it. Paper clip it to here. Another paper clip. A hairpin is fine. Paper clip, anything you prefer. There you go. It becomes easier. There we go. Another piece of recycled item to the side. I'm very happy about that. And there we go. Now I'm ready for my next part of it. Take those off. With your jar, what you're going to do is you're going to use your two-sided double tape. What I've done is clean the label off this jar. This jar actually is recycled also. A salad came in it, and I said, wait, I could store items in this. And that's exactly what I did. Now, I found that I can see the pattern better on one side, so that's what I'm going to do. Is now I put this two-sided double tape on. Going to make it as straight as I can here. I hope you have a lot of fun doing this. Like, you know, I really did, because it was something I didn't think others would like, but through good feedback, good people in my circle, Janina, Makai, Kayla, my mom and dad, they're amazing people. You know, Rahan, you know, there's so many nice people in my life that have said, oh, you know, some nice stuff you're doing there, Samoy. Okay, my darlings, there we go. Now, this is just the first layer. Now I'm going to do my second layer, and I'll put, if you have any mistakes, at the bottom, because that's where you can trim. Let's go again with the tape. Okay, what I'm going to do is put that over the edge. I'm going to put this double-sided tape over the edge that's still open, okay? And it will make it a lot easier to make it a smoother look. Here I go. Now, what I'm doing here, to just be very open with you, is I'm only putting the bubble wrap. I'm going to put the bubble wrap bubble part facing out. So it's a nice little squishy feel. And I'll put the other part, the flat part, inside. Here we go. This is up to you. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to put another piece of two-sided tape also on this layer, this first layer. Okay, there we go. I know it gets a little messy, but that's okay. It's fun. Okay, I was just thinking of Michelle. Michelle has triplets. This would keep her kids so occupied. They're gorgeous little girls. Oh my gracious. Could you imagine having 3 beautiful girls at one time? All you have to think about is a son after that. Which, wait, she does. And he is a genius. But anyway, this will keep them occupied. All children, actually. Now, this is practically done. I'm going to just trim here. Okay. There you go, all done. Now what you can do is, if you're doing it on the reverse side, what you can do is a little design. And I thought, let me just show you what I mean. Moving that aside. If you have it here, for example, I have a few extra crystals around. What you can do is actually just on there, just put, for example, my initial is C. Just make a design there with crystals. And you can get this also at any little store, that's an office supply store or craft store. You can get all these little stickers, you know, and make it your own design and enjoy it with your family, kids, visitors. You know, if you're looking for a team building activity, you know, this is nice to sort of do. So there, I have my C on there. And if I want, there. What I will do is I will move my recycled envelope I'm using, and so you can see it a little better. There you go. And I hope you can see it. That's an idea for you. To know what you have inside your containers, you must be saying, so how will I know what's in the container? What I did to know what's in these containers, I took the inside little piece out, really nice. It feels so soft. And what I'm going to do is just write what's in here on here. So I can put on here just stuff. And how I label it on, I will show you. I put my double-sided tape on the top here of the lid. And I make two adhesive across each other. And I just put this on here. Now the nice thing about doing this way is, if you change what's in here, you can take this off and just reverse it. Okay, and they're both nice that you can label, preferably with a marker, a permanent marker if you want. It doesn't matter because you can flip it over. If you end up using both sides and you're not happy with your label, what you can do is what I did. Cut out the shape of the lid from my recycle envelope. I did that here. And just relabel it. And you can use any color you want. But I just wanted to let you know, these are some options for you and some design ideas on a budget and with items you have at home. So just enjoy doing this and enjoy the different looks and displays you can create yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2. Different room, different design. So remember to like, subscribe, comment, and come back for part 2. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, come back, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon.